Hey, Garrett Brill, Don Casey, and Jack White out here. We're doing some testing today on the AEE Mach4. I'll say this, we finally have an OEM that's willing to build us a delivery system, a drop system for delivering PFDs, med kits, ammunition, whatever it might necessarily be to extend the safety and the capabilities of UAS. Don over here his hands are on the carrying handle. The Mach4 has a carrying handle there, and you see he's holding it. And I'm going to just hand this to Don, and you're going to see how fast you can deploy this mechanism. This goes for any of the attachments, just like that. That's how fast. And then go ahead and remove it, Don, real quick, to see how fast it removes. That's how fast and easy it is to put any kind of a additional accessory payload, the loudspeaker, the drop system, spotlights, whatever. Go ahead and put it on there one more time, just like that. And then you just go power it on and you take off and attach your payload to it and then go fly it. So anyway, really good. I'm super happy, super happy that we finally have, we've been begging all these manufacturers for years to make this. We finally have one that's going to step up to the plate and get it done. Right here, and drone up here. Wearing a medical kit. And practicing to drop a medical kit to a victim. Some swing in there.
Boom! Look at that.
Look at that. Right in his hands. Nice drop.